small presentation. I'm migrating a Spring Boot basic application to AWS Cloud, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's start here. We are going to start by creating a EC2 machine where you are going to deploy our application. So you can go to the console, click on type EC2. You will start to create a EC2 that is a virtual machine. Click on launch instance. You can click on free tier. So AWS will show only the free machines. You can use this first one. You'll use this T2 micro that is selected. And about the network and VPC, you are using the default one. And the storage will not change the storage. And you don't for this test you will don't need to add a tag here. And the security group is when you are going to deploy something in the web. It's important to you to create a security group and give you access to the parts you are going to open. So I want my machine to be have the port 22. I also want to the port TCP. HTTP is 3080, and I want to other maybe 8080. This is the part I will open to use my Spring Boot application. Click on launch and review. Click on launch, and that is the key pair. The key pair is the key that will permit you to access your machine by SSH. I use a existing key pair that I have created before, but you need to click here, accepting that you acknowledge that the only way to access that machine is using that key pair. So we launch the instance, and our machine is being created. And just to gain more time, I will use a machine I have created before. You select the machine, you click on connect, and the AWS will give you the command to access that machine by SSH. So let's copy the command, and we use the git bash to access that machine. Here, you have to be on the folder. You save the key pair. I saved the key pair on the folder downloads. Okay, here we have the name of the key pair I have saved here. The user and the address of the machine on the public address. So you can connect the machine. Let's see if I have installed the Java here. Yeah. No, so you have to install. That's why you have some installation here before you can use it as a Java application. Let's install Java. So you are going to install Maven. The next step, I'm going to install Git. And so you have prepared a basic Java environment here. And what you can do now is treat your environment. Let's open our environment here. This is the local project. We're creating a Git environment here. In fact, you needed to create the remote repository. We're going to commit our application, and you needed to add this application to a remote repository to be accessible on our environment on AWS. So let's create the repository here. It will be the video class. Make it public. So we are gonna add this repository to local repository to the remote one. And let's do a push. So our small application is deployed, is stored on our GitHub repository. And what I want to do now is to clone that application on AWS machine. So let's go to our AWS machine. You have just installed the Git here. Git. So let's create the MKG project. Let's enter the folder, and we'll clone the project here. So we'll run with Spring Boot run. I think that there is some dependencies we need to download here by Maven. I will get the dependencies. Let's see if it is okay. So we started the application here on AWS environment. The Spring Boot application is deployed on AWS, but I want that application to be accessible to the world. So this is the local application, but I need the AWS address. So I will select my machine here, and I can take the public DNS or public IP. If I take the public DNS, the same one that I used to access via SSH, I can use it here also. And the port is 8080, and the context of the application will be hello and a variable at the end. So here is the address of the machine. So that's the way you can use the amazing environments on the cloud to make your project, to make your system available all over the world.